Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you clicked on this video, you already know what's up. Today we are doing part 2 of my fall makeup lookbook. This look was accomplished using this Ulta NYX collab palette. This is what I got. I think it's really cute. It screams fall, and it is definitely a cut crease. So if you guys like to see how I accomplished this look, then just stay tuned. Alright, first thing first, I'm going to prime my eye using my Fenty Beauty foundation. Alright, and the palette we'll be using today will be this NYX and Ulta Beauty collab, Morphe M441 brush. And go into this color right here and apply this under my brow bone. Next, I'm going to use the same brush and then go into this color right here from the Morphe 350M palette, and then go into this color and I'm applying that color in my crease. Take this little bullet crease brush and then this dark blue and add this to my outer V. And whatever is left on my M513 brush, I'm going to blend these two colors together. Alright, so I'm going to do now take my M421 brush and my Fenty Beauty foundation and cut my crease. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my eye using some Ben Nye powder. So what I'm going to do is take this flat shader brush from Wet n Wild and go into the palette, taking this shimmer color right here and applying that onto my lid area. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is take this Pretty Vulgar eyeliner in the color the Blacklist, and then this Morphe M443 brush, which is a liner brush, and create a small wing liner. So my foundation primer today will be the Smashbox Photo Fit. For my foundation, I'm using the M439 brush from Morphe, Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 3 Step, and then the CoverGirl Cream foundation in the color 535. I'm going to take this G18 brush, which is from Morphe, and it's a small little blending brush. I'm going to take this burgundy color right here and smoke out my lower lash line. And in my inner tear duct, I'm going to take this color right here and apply it to my inner tear duct. Taking the matte finish spray from NYX. On my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Cairo and a brown lip liner. I'm going to be using Illuminati by Artist Couture to highlight my face. Alright, so this is the finished look. I just went and threw on some eyelashes. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you learned something and enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time.